Yo, what it do, fam? After the video, be sure to click the link down below. Check out the 2018 EJ John merch. Everyone has been loving them. It's lit. Otherwise, keep it 100, and I hope you guys enjoy.
What's going on, guys? So today I'm coming at you with the Integra. Got a little update for you guys. Just got done doing a flush, getting ready for temperatures to cool down and put some 50/50 in. But I just want to give you guys a little rundown of what's going on right now. Interior's been done for about a month, maybe 2 months, and it's all nasty already, dirty, but I haven't showed you guys yet, so I figured I'd show you now. Got her all painted up. The only thing left is the steering wheel, seats, maybe a roll cage down the road, and interior will be done. Another thing I almost forgot is got the audio in here. So we got Crescendo Audio STS1 tweeters. This is silk domes, and we have the UN 6.5s in each door. I had to make these trim rings. They had only one door. I think that was a replacement door panel, didn't have the hole cut out, so I had to do that on my own. But this door here had some Pioneers in it, something, I don't know, something cheap, and it was a little oversized, so I had to make this adapter trim, and it fit perfect and it looks amazing. So got that, got the UNs, and we also got an 80 PRS in the dash now. So sounding great, got some SQ done on it and time alignment, and it sounds awesome, and it keeps up really well with the exhaust. Everything's just running off the head unit right now, so it's not too bad. But other than that, got some nasty looking clouds on the way, so hopefully this cools down soon so I can get this done. But next on our list is going to be getting the exterior looking nice. So we're probably going for the more of a Type R look. I mean, that first thing on the list is going to be getting the spoiler changed. That's disgusting looking. Getting the front bumper lip. We're actually going to do a little twist on it. We're going to probably get the Mugen lip, and then I already did a headlight restoration on her. So I don't know if you guys seen it in the last video, but the headlights were disgusting. They're all yellow, and cleaned them all up. Looks brand new again, looks OEM. And we're also getting some new turn signals. These things are full of water, all scratched up. These just look old and disgusting, so it's another thing on the list. All pretty cheap stuff, so it shouldn't be too crazy. Next thing, we're going to be switching out these old OEM side skirts for some PCI 4-inch side skirts. I like the 4-inch, looked a lot better. I saw some 5s. They looked really good, but I have a feeling that's going to be too low compared to everything else I'm putting on here, so it's not going to fit perfectly. But I think the 4-inch will be just right. Then we're going to get the rear bumper valances, give it a little bit of a lower stance back here. I feel like the back end looks like it's too high. But after all that is done, she's going to be sent out. We're going to do a lot of the prep work, sand it down for the most part, and we're going to send her out to the body shop and get her all painted up. Probably just going to do a gloss white on it. And other than that, after that, it's going to be coilover, suspension, all the good stuff for the track. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I'm just waiting for the temperature to cool down, and then I'm going to put some 50/50 in, and we're going to go for a ride, get a listen to the new stereo in it, and then get a listen to the car. Here we got my car over here. Nothing's really changed, just got a new tire on her. If you guys had me on Snapchat, you saw what happened. Got the door still cracked. Trying to find somebody that'll make me a piece. Nobody wants to do it. They're saying it's too hard of a job, so I don't know. Otherwise, I'll get back with you guys in a minute. All right, guys, so we got the coolant in, started up a couple times to get it to run through. Now we're gonna go take it for a spin and see how the temperatures and everything are sitting, and we're gonna run the heat and everything through. But after we do that, I'm gonna play you guys some tunes. Okay, so I got the heat on. It is boiling hot, so doesn't seem to be any air bubbles or anything in the system, so that's a good sign. We're gonna let it run for a little bit and see how the temperatures go.
This record is frequently asked. Pull up on your block, I'm banging. I feel like John Cena. All my diamonds Aquafina. 2 days, call me Lil Red. I need that cheese. My bitch got the booties. Damn, I'm moving hella feet. I can't fuck your bitch, I know that pussy stink. Young niggas sitting on drink. All my girls stink. Bitch sniffing on that coke. I heard he got that back, I'm taking all that coke. They say, lil' number, where you been at? I'm just passing the breeze. I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been coolin' laying low, but I'm not taking the seat. But just know a nigga back in this time I won't leave. I've been running, gotta check me your back. I got hundreds on my neck and I got shoes on my ass. Niggas said I'm going broke, well I just take it and laugh. I be speeding in that foreign with 5 on my ass. But I'm that nigga, I won't never change, rubbing off the pain.
Alright, so that's just about it for now. Otherwise, later on I'm gonna go pick up some new spark plugs, maybe get all the wiring changed out, maybe cleaned up if I can possibly. But other than that, that's just about it. Got the car over here, wet driveway I gotta clean off real quick. And then time to head off to go have some fun at work. But otherwise, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just kind of figured I would do a little new test on the camera. And I figured what better way than to do a little update. So, hope you guys like the new camera. If you do, smash that like button. Otherwise, if you're new here, subscribe, turn the notifications on so you get notified every time I upload. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoy. Keep it 100, and I will catch you later.
What you see is what you get, 'cause I'm from my